Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Norad, and today we're going to do another direct drawing, this time for what sound, mm, what sound, mm, what sound, how do I write m? And today we're going to do a mouse, mm, mouse. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get our pencils and paper ready. And we're going to begin. All right, so I'm going to do my mouse. I'm going to do half a circle. And then I'm going to come back and do a straight line back. Let me try that again. There we go. I went over a little bit, so I'm going to erase that there. All right, so I have half a circle. And then I did a straight line back to start for mouse. I'm going to come to the very corner here and make it a circle. A little dot at the end here for his nose. And then I'm going to do a whisker, and then a whisker. And then I'm going to do a smile and a dot for his eye. And then I'm going to do two ears right there. Alright, so I did a dot at the end here on the corner here for his nose. I did two whiskers on each side. Then a smile back, a dot for his eye, and then two ears. Alright, so I'm going to come back to his leg here at the back. I'm going to do a curve down and bring his foot back up. Then I'm going to need to use my eraser and erase this part right here because they want me to go back and erase it. Okay. And then I'm going to put some little lines on his foot there. Then I'm going to come back and do a little arm coming out right here. And do two paw lines for his arms there as well. Alright, so this is a side view of your mouse. So we're not going to draw all four arms and legs. Okay. It's just a side view, so we're seeing one side of his arm and one side of his leg. Alright, the last thing I need to add is a really long tail. So I'm going to add his really long tail. Alright, and we have a mouse. Mouse. What's the first sound you hear in mouse? Very good. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write M? Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Very good. Alright, so now my picture has the mouse as gray, but it first wants me to color in its ears right here with a little bit of pink. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to come back to my gray. And I'm going to go ahead and start coloring in his body for mouse. Alright. If you don't have a gray, you could do brown. Or you could use your black and color it very lightly. Don't hold it tight. Hold it very light and color it lightly. And that'll kind of look like gray. If you have a gray, go ahead and use it. Alright, what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write M? We've got mouse. I know another animal that starts like and it's a monkey. And I was real worried that they were going to do a monkey for letter M because I'm not so sure I could have drawn my monkey very well. That would have been tricky, but I would have tried my best. Alright, kind of colored over his leg a little bit there. Alright, for mouse. Monkey. Mom starts with Man starts with What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. They both start with M too. Not only does Mouse start with M, but their names also start with M. Minnie and Mickey. All right, boys and girls, I'm done with my mouse today. So we had what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write M? All right. I can't wait to see yours. Bye-bye.